Emilokon has reached there. Are we going to leave Emilokon? Some people are beginning to put tribalism into this matter now. Emilokon, Yobanio, Emajaka Bayege. Listen.
Adetoun Block Space TV. Lies echo from the bone. Just taking for the border.
Emilokon.
Èèyàn wa máa ti kí káàbọ̀ sí orí channel Block Space TV mi tí a ti mú gist entertainment wá fún yín ní ọlọ́kan òjọ̀kan. Ìta tó gbé wá ọ̀làníkà tí jọ jẹ gbádùn ẹ̀ o. So tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ti ń jẹ gbádùn ẹ̀ má gbàgbé kẹ́ bá wa subscribe, kẹ́ bá wa like, kẹ́ bá wa share, kẹ́ dẹ̀ bá wa turn on notification button yín kẹ́ lè máa rí àwọn update wa lóòrèkóòrè. Ẹ ṣeun, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, a kí yín, ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
That police officer from mommy una bring am to gear comment section everything. She dey feel am, make she feel herself. She be now wish she want take tear gas pursue. Everybody cannot be same. I said something before the protest started. Positive and negative. Some people will always be positive, either about what they hear, how they want to react to what they hear. Some people will be negative. Let us understand human reasoning. Everybody go Ojota. Some people then be alagidi die hard. Then go one still go where they no send them go. They are like that. Because of that, does not say we should condemn them. We can only encourage them and make them channel them towards the right path. If na my pikin then I send the go Ojota, he can't go Lekki. She I go leave and make them buy am for Lekki. I go tell her say, you know the hear word. Ina no quanti. Sieba po lawano Ojota. That was all I did. That was all I did. If we encourage all of you to come out to protest, we also have to go around and monitor and check all of you to ensure that you are all right. Do that one first. That one don't pass. Emilokon was when Baba Jagaba wanted to be president. During that Emilokon, some of you said our vote did not count. And some of you said our vote counted. It is still positive and negative. Now, Emilokon has reached there. Are we going to leave Emilokon? Some people are beginning to put tribalism into this matter now. Emilokon, Yobanio, Emajaka Bayege. Listen, Emilokon used more than 50 years of his life to reach where he's going. You can take 10 years, 15 years, 20 years to build a house. Let me tell you something. It does not take more than a day to collapse a whole building. If Emilokon has used all his life as an ambition to become the president, if you don't want Emilokon's house to crumble, you need to learn to criticize him. Stop looking at him. Stop deceiving him like the ministers that he appointed based on trust. The trust that you should have is the trust for your motherland. Understand that our battles today, our voices today are for our children. The only thing that a lot of people want to leave for their children are legacy, money, and houses. Leave a legacy. The labors of our past heroes saved us. Mandela did not fight for South Africa for his own immediate children. He fought for his country. So don't see people who come out to protest as being negative towards the president. Don't see them as they don't like him. No. If you really voted or you didn't vote and Nigeria means a lot to you, your motherland means a lot to you, you must stand to criticize. When you are doing business, you put everything called effort. You advertise, you look for customers, you maintain those customers. When they complain, they say customers are always right. We are customers of Nigeria. We are always right. If things are good, we will not come out to say we want change. If things are not good, we must come out to say we want change. Don't see it as tribalism. And if you want to see it as tribalism, Yoruba ronu that people are saying, ronu e ma je ki Tinubu sise, ibi ti Tinubu ba ti sise, e sọ̀rọ̀ síta, speak up, let him hear. You cannot be surrounded by people who have personal interests and still govern, rule over people who have personal interest. We don't have personal interest. The interest we have is that Nigeria should be great for our coming generation. Even in our own time, our children are derailing. We are failing as mothers. These children want to do whatever they want to do. These children who are girls only value their breasts and their nyash. They don't even understand what brain and intelligence is. They don't even have self-respect, self-dignity. They don't even have self-discipline. And who is talking to them? Even the society is just watching them. Some are encouraging them. And you expect us to keep quiet. Development is not only by infrastructure. Our refineries can be working, and yet our children are failing every day. Please, fellow citizens of Nigeria, I want to plead with you. I want to plead with you. I want to plead with you. Don't be scared to speak. We cannot keep quiet. We cannot watch this man fail. If they tell you they don't listen to social media because of the insult, did anybody write letter that there's going to be a protest? They also heard on the media that there's going to be a protest. And look at how woke they are. Some of us are over 40. We're on our journey to 50. We don't need anything anymore. But our children need a whole lot. Our children need us to fight and protect and leave a legacy for them. The only thing that you have as a citizen of this country is your voice. And that your voice must count. Those ones who are destroying, they still don't understand the agenda that we are only agitating for a better country. You deserve what your constitutional rights are. Let me tell you, this country is a whole house that has been standing on patches. The walls are breaking. The walls are cracking. The foundation is standing, but the building, the structure is collapsing. We are as good as we are not alive. If anything is not working in our country. I said it some time ago that Asiwaju was going to be the president of this country. Whether he's going to steal it, whether he's going to earn it, whether he's going to hijack it, that was not the issue. The issue was, if you are a prayerful person, if you understand what it is to pray and love your motherland, you will make findings and you will go deep into thinking. Now Asiwaju is there. Now Asiwaju surrounded himself with people who don't love their country, but they love their pocket. Asiwaju appointed people who were loyalists to him, not loyalists to the country that they want to serve. This is not about a personal relationship. Neither is this Lagos. This is Nigeria. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. So many tribes involved. Are we now going to allow him fail? No. And the only way we cannot allow him fail is when he says he's doing something and we are not feeling that something. The constitution is tight enough. We need to look for a way to rewrite the constitution for our future generation. What they did years ago is what we are suffering from now. Are we going to pass this certificate of suffering to our children? Let us be wise. Stop being negative about progress. Stop being negative about your motherland. You have no other place. Even people in diaspora are affected because it is their motherland. Those of you who swear, those of you who curse, let me tell you something. Pé kí ìlú ẹ lè dá, ó lórí ọ̀fẹ́ ó láṣẹ láti fi àdá bí ìlú ìyá ẹ kó fi pé ilẹ̀ kankan. Ẹni tó bá mojú ilẹ̀, ó láti mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ilẹ̀, àdàbí nílẹ̀. And if you want progress, stand and be sure that you are taking part in making Nigeria great. Don't see it as you don't like anybody. See it as the love you have for your country. And that is the reason why you have to speak. Please, I want to plead with you all. Let us all grow up. Let us stop being key parts, destructors with key parts. You might not like the messenger, but the message is compulsory for you. Asiwaju has to make Nigeria great. How he is going to do it is none of our business. Because how we got to power was not our business. We didn't know. So how he is going to solve the problem, we don't want to know. What we expect is results. If you say you are capable and you found your way there, then show us the proof of your strength and capacity. Nigeria shall be great. In our own time, it will be great. For you people, it must be great. For your coming children, it's going to be better. They will not suffer every single pain that we are suffering in our motherland. And so be it, and so help us God.